Hey, watch this video and learn how to draw me. I'm Pete the Cat with Mr. Smith. Watch it right now and have a great time.
Make sure you hit the thumbs up, that's a like. Then hit subscribe and hit that bell. And watch my whole video. Pete the Cat, Super Pete. When there's trouble in town, it's up to Pete the Cat's alter ego, Super Pete, to save the day with his cool jet, nifty goggles, and slingshot. Super Pete is ready to take down any bad guys. The authors of this book are Kimberly and James Dean. I'm going to leave a link in the description below where your parents can purchase a copy of this book. Now get your paper, pencils, and any drawing materials you need so you can sit down and draw Super Pete with me. Okay, first we're going to draw what looks like a football shape. We'll start with the bottom and then we'll do the top. This will be Pete's head. Then we're going to draw some triangular shapes that are curved at the top to be his ears, one for the left and one for the right. Now I'm going to start making his goggles, curving down and up, and over, and straight up and back again. And we're going to go from the middle out, and straight across. We've gotten his goggles. Now we're going to make the shapes for his eyes. Very similar curving lines to the same kind of shape we made for his head. It's football shape. Going to make his pupils, the outer part, the corona, and then the part that's inside, which is the pupil. All round shapes. You might say they're curving U's. Now I'm going to make another U that's flat on the top for his nose and two straight lines coming down for his neck. A curving line across, that's going to be the collar part of his leotard Super Pete suit. We're going to make curving lines going out to the left and the right. Those are going to be his arms. Then straight down for his body. We're going to go down to his belt. And then I'm going to make the square for his belt. And these little oval shapes that will be part of his utility belt. If you ever looked at Batman always has a utility belt with all kind of gadgets that he uses to fight crime. Well, we need to have his emblem on the front of his suit, and that's a big P, which stands for Pete. I'm going to make a circle around that and another circle around that. If it feels like I'm going too fast at any time, you can stop the video. And if you got your parents around, they can even change the speed of it if they go to settings. I'm working on his arm, both sides. And then I'm going to make a straight and a curving line for his paws that are going to rest on his sides. I'm going to make two lines going down and up. They look like little rectangles. Those are going to be for his legs. Now I'm going to go down and straight and curve around for Pete's sneakers. Pete always has some nice sneakers. Straight back. Straight back. I'm going to do the same for the other side. Curve around. Put the little nose in, white part at the bottom, straight back, and then the 4 eyelids. That's what the sneaker strings go through, and the sneaker strings. Now, the one thing that every superhero has on their back is a superhero cape. I'm just going to put some lines in the back of the cape for the little ruffles or wrinkles. And we're getting close to being done. Now I'm going to tell you, Mr. Smith left something out on purpose. I wonder if you can figure it out. I'm going to outline right now with my magic marker. And then after I outline, I am going to drop this whole drawing into my iPad, and I'm going to color it and add some animation to it in my iPad. And you should then pull out your markers and crayons and start adding some color to your drawing too. Now I'm going to tell you, if you have any problems with drawing this, I am going to leave a downloadable coloring page in the description. Please show your parents or tell your parents, and they can go there and they can download my Pete the Cat coloring page, which you can use to color. Now I'm adding my color on the iPad to my drawing. Lots of orange and turquoise and blue. Got a big sun and some clouds behind him. He has these spiffy green sneakers. And now I have my little animation. And let's look at Pete in the air. Super Pete. Da-da-da-da. Fighter of crime. Thanks for coming to see Mr. Smith. I hope you had a good time drawing. Come back again, and remember to share with a friend. Take care.